To sign up for daycare, you're going to go to our website, springfieldsidekickdogtraining.com. You're going to left click on the register here button. Scroll down to register for daycare. If you already have an account, you're going to left click on login. And if you need to create an account, you're going to left click on create an account. Once you have logged in, you're going to left click on the daycare. And then if this is your first time coming to daycare, you want to sign up for your Sidekick's first day. If you have already went through your Sidekick's first day and are an established client, you will want to sign up for Playful Daycare. You're going to left click on the sign up button. And then you're going to select what day you would like your dog to come. Where you're going to choose September 8th, you will left click on the date. Scroll to the bottom, hit next with a left click. You're going to select a dog. You're going to select a drop-off time. Our drop-off times are between 7 and 9 in the morning. And then left click on continue. This is going to bring you to our kennel card. You're going to go through and fill in all the information. Once you have filled it all in, you do not have to keep filling it in each time. So once it is filled in, you're going to scroll to the bottom, left click on continue. And then it will bring you to the checkout page. If you want to schedule for multiple dates at a time, once you get to this page, you can left click on add additional registration. And then it'll bring you up to, you can schedule for classes, events, private training, daycare, boarding, or purchase packages. If you would like to do more daycare, you left click on daycare. If you would like to do boarding, left click on boarding, left click on the sign up button. You're going to enter in your drop-off time, drop-off day, excuse me, and your pickup day. Left click on next. You're going to left click. You can either enter in the time in the box or left click on the clock. Left click on continue. And then you'll need to enter in this information for boarding. Once you're done, you will left click. And continue. And then you will proceed with registration. If you don't have any additional days you would want to schedule, click I agree to our waiver. Left click on agree and proceed. And then check out with PayPal. You do not have to have an account to check out with PayPal. You can check out as a guest.